While the new GT Speed convertible, which you see here on my right, takes 4-point exterior, features GT in the Continental family, and on to its